Okay, so today we're going to learn how to use unit rectangles to model the multiplication of fractions. Okay, so in a previous course you learned that, for instance, 1/3 times 2/5 is 2/15. You just simply multiply the numerators separately from the denominators. But when we use a unit rectangle to model this multiplication, you can see why. Okay, and I've really kind of separated into a few easy steps. So first we're going to divide the unit rectangle vertically into thirds because 1/3 is the first fraction that I'm multiplying. And I'm going to shade 1/3 of that unit rectangle. Okay, now separately, and we don't normally do this separately, but separately, I'm going to make another unit rectangle. And I'm going to divide that horizontally into fifths. I'm going to shade 2 of those 5 pieces, like I did with the second unit rectangle. Okay, the third unit rectangle models the product. Really, it's just if I took the first rectangle and I laid it on top of the second rectangle, you would get the third rectangle. And you'll see that when we overlay the first rectangle on top of the second rectangle, that there are 2 out of 15 pieces that are double shaded. And that's our product, 2/15. Okay? So normally you can turn this into one easy step. Take a unit rectangle, divide it into thirds, and shade 1/3 of it vertically. And then in addition to that, we're going to shade it horizontally, or we're going to divide it horizontally into fifths, and then shade 2/5 of it. And you'll see that the overlap, or the double shading, represents our product. Okay? This models the first problem in our warm-up today. Try the others. See how you do.